Shri Gurubhyo Namaga. Hello children. Today we are going to learn long division without reminder. Today we are going to learn long division without reminder. Long division. Today I am going to teach you long division without reminder. Long division is another way to divide number. Long division is another way to divide number. To do long division, you should arrange the dividend and divisor as given below. You have to write the dividend inside and you have to write the divisor outside. The quotient will come at the top. You should write the quotient on top. For example, 20 divided by 5 is equal to 4. 20 is called the dividend, 5 is called the divisor and 4 is called the quotient. Children, you have to arrange the dividend and divisor like this. You have to write the dividend inside and the divisor will come outside. The quotient will come on the top. So this is dividend, divisor and quotient. Let us see some example for long division without reminder. The first example is 6 divided by 2. 6 divided by 2. Here 6 is called the dividend and 2 is called the divisor. You have to find the quotient. In long division, you should arrange the divider and divisor like this. You have to write the dividend inside and the divisor will come outside. Now children, say the table of 2 until you get 6. Say the table of 2 until you get 6. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. How many times? 3 times. So you have to write the 3 on the top because 3 is the quotient. So you have to write 6 here. You have to subtract. 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. So the quotient is 3 and the remainder is 0. The quotient is 3. The remainder is 0. So the answer is 3. The next example is divide 14 by 2. 14 divided by 2. 14 is the dividend and 2 is the divisor. You have to find the quotient. So in long division, you have to arrange the dividend and divisor like this. You have to write the dividend inside and the divisor 2 will come outside. Now children, say the table of 2 until you get 14. Say the table of 2 until you get 14. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 14. 2 7s are 14. How many times? 7 times. 2 7s are 14. So you have to write 7 on the top. 7 is called the quotient. Now you have to do subtraction. 14 minus 14 is equal to 0. The remainder is 0. The quotient is 7. The answer is 7. Exercise 7.1. Let us solve some exercise sums to learn long division without reminder. Divide to find the quotient. The first sum is 18 divided by 2. Here 18 is called the dividend and 2 is called the divisor. You should arrange the divider and divisor in this form. You should arrange divider and divisor in this form. In long division, you should arrange the dividend inside and the divisor will come outside. The quotient will come on the top. So 18 should come inside and the 2 divisor 2 will come outside. Now children, to find the quotient, say the table of 2 until you get 18. So 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 sixes are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18. Children, you have to stop here because you got the number 18 here. 2 nines are 18. How many times? 9 times. So, 2 nines are 18. So, you have to write the 9 on the top. 9 is called the quotient. 2 nines are 18. Now, you have to do subtraction. So, 18 minus 18 is equal to 0. So, 9 is called the quotient. The remainder is 0. The remainder is 0. So, the answer is 9. The answer is 9. The second sum is 49 divided by 7. Children, you have to find the quotient. 49 is called the dividend and 7 is called the divisor. In long division, you should arrange the dividend 49 inside and the divisor 7 will come outside. Children, now say the table of 7 until you get 49. Say the table of 7 until you get 49. So, 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are 35, 7 sixes are 42, 7 sevens are 49. 7 sevens are 49. You have to stop here because you got the number 49 here. 7 sevens are 49. So, 7 sevens are 49. You have to write 49 here. You have to write the 7 here because 7 is the quotient. How many times? 7 times. So, you have to write the 7 here. 7 sevens are 49. Now, you have to do subtraction. So, 49 minus 49 is 0. So, the quotient is 7. The remainder is 0. The quotient is 7. The remainder is 0. So, the answer is 7. Thank you, children.